Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about limit. So we can do about factorization by x. This one by number 2. Now we can do another factorization by y minus number 1. Next, I will put the negative on numerator and denominator. So we change the sign of this one, and that is about y minus number 1. So we simplify and we have negative s plus number 2. S approach to number 1, so we put number 1 go on here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.